Welcome to today's video. Today, we're diving into a common problem that developers face when working with OpenGL and glfw. The problem at hand revolves around the usage of glGetAttriBLocation and glGetActiveAttrib, where the expected output doesn't match the actual results. It's a head-scratcher, for sure, but fear not. We'll unravel this mystery together. In our solution, we discovered that the discrepancy in the attribute names retrieved is due to the difference between the index and location of an active attribute. The index is what's used in glGetActiveAttrib to identify attributes, while the location is what's returned by glGetAttriBLocation. Understanding this distinction is key to resolving the confusion that arises from the discrepant attribute names in the output. To provide a bit more context, under the old introspection API, there's no direct way to retrieve an attribute index by name. This inherently makes the task attempted in the code snippet impossible. By clarifying the role of index and location in vertex shader introspection, we shed light on why the output behaves as observed and how it aligns with OpenGL's design and functionality. In summary, today we delved into the intricacies of attribute retrieval in OpenGL and uncovered the subtle yet crucial differences between index and location. By grasping this distinction, we gain a deeper understanding of how attributes are managed in the OpenGL environment. I hope you found this exploration enlightening. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials, hit the like button if you enjoyed the content, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Remember, in the world of coding, every problem is just an opportunity to learn something new.